Okay, right, so I'm covered in soot because where we had all our boats stored has been burnt to the ground. There's nothing left at all. There was about 7 boats there, all destroyed, including one customer's as well, who's obviously very, very devastated about that as well. So we've got to rebuild everything from literally what we've got left, which was 1 Boston Whaler and 1 truck, which I'm sitting in now. So we're going to go and basically rebuild, and I'm going to document it all from the start. So we're on our way now to pick up a Yamaha XLT 1200, which is the 2-stroke. Anyway, it's mint, it's lovely. We're going to go pick that up, and then I've got a customer for it, so we're going to bring it back here. I can't really show because I don't want to just turn up to a guy's house with a phone, you know, filming him. But we're going to go pick that up. I've got a customer here. Let's go pick it up, try and spin that over, and then we've got a Zodiac Pro we're going to go and pick up, and I'll just show you the photos of them and quickly dash over. Whilst I'm talking, I'll probably dash over the damage of everything, but all the cars were burnt out. Everything was burnt out. I lost my Land Cruiser, my X-Trail, my girlfriend's car. I've got my Shogun, that's what I'm sitting in now. Luckily it's auto because it's a long drive. So we're going to go over to Bradwell-on-Sea first, which is in Essex, and we're going to Aberystwyth, which is again a long way in North Wales, somewhere in North Mid Wales, something like that. Anyway, so let's go pick up these 2, and then yeah, we'll see if we can flip them over and see what else we can get hold of, and see if we can rebuild this this rib sail. So this one's just come in. It's just been delivered. It's an Avon Adventurer with 2022 Mercury 50 on it. I don't know why he's got his rain. He's left his chocolate in there, though. That's so grim. Oh, it's half a bar of chocolate in there. Guess you know it's been used. I've got a chart plotter for it in my car. I don't know what this is all about, this railing, but yeah. This is first time. The chart plotter works. Oh, it's fired right out. There, it's pumping. Not a lot of fuel in there at all. It's basically empty. Goes in gear. This one here is now sold. We've just got to deliver it and take a Part X. There it is, it's dropped off, delivered, done. So that's one more done. So we could go home now. We've got one more being delivered tonight, so we'll go and pick that one up from the unit. It's only 5:30. M25 now, because I had to go back to Bristol to pick up the boat after yesterday. You see me turn it through Dartmoor. I made it to Bristol. I had one blowout. 250 later, because I got a call out, an emergency call out. 250 quid for one tyre. Then I get down the road, the other one goes. In the end, it gets stored in Bristol somewhere. I had to go back the next day. I dropped my girlfriend home. I come back the next day to pick it up. I've now got this boat on my back, so it's been. We must have done about. Well, I say we. I must have done about 300 miles just today to get this boat back. So this boat owes a little bit more than it originally did now, but we're going to get it back to the yard, drop it off, and then go again. And I've got. I'll show that camper van. I'm documenting everything. So now that camper van I took in part exchange on the Zodiac. I've got a drop off tomorrow, and we're just going to go again. There's so many boats where I put out adverts, like wanted adverts. So many boats that I would have bought this time last year. I can't now because of the amount of money I lost in that fire. And I mean, it's now 2 weeks, over 2 weeks, almost a month now. 3 weeks ago, I think that fire was now, and still. It plays on your mind so much, but we'll get this boat back and then we'll start again.